How about making shrimp scampi meal for the family for under 10 bucks? Well, you can do that this week because Bashas is going to have Argentine shrimp on sale for $6.49 a pound. Now you have to buy it in 2-pound packages, but that is a great deal because normally Argentine shrimp is about $9 a pound. This is a super simple recipe. Basically, you can put it together in about 15 minutes. So what you're going to need is you're going to need to have some angel hair pasta, about 1 or 2 cups cooked, and just follow the instructions on the package. You're going to need some cherry tomatoes, some parsley, some Parmesan, lemon. You're going to have a little bit of wine for the food, not for your mouth, some garlic and some olive oil, and of course a pound of shrimp and a half a tablespoon of butter because I like to make my shrimp scampi a little bit less fattening. So you get a pan, put a little bit of olive oil in it, get your uncooked shrimp that is peeled and deveined, and pop that in the pan, cook that for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then you're going to add your ingredients. So you're going to add your butter, and you're going to put, like I said, I usually do about a half a tablespoon of butter because normally the recipe would require about 2 tablespoons, but you can get away with putting a half and not taking away from the taste, in my opinion. Then you're going to put 2 garlic cloves. These are already minced, so you're going to put, it's a half a teaspoon per garlic clove, so I'll put in a full teaspoon. Throw that in there. And then you're also going to want to add your white wine. A half a cup of white wine. This is already measured out. Any kind will do. Pour that in there. Yes. And then maybe take a little bit for later on for yourself. Then you want to get a little bit of lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze it in, but you're going to want about a tablespoon of lemon juice to throw in there. And then you're going to add your Parmesan, shredded Parmesan, about 2 tablespoons of that. Toss that in there. 1, 2, stir it all around. Then you're going to take about 1.5 tablespoons of chopped parsley, fresh chopped parsley like this. Toss that in there. Then you're going to get your little cherry tomatoes, which I already have cut up. Toss that in there. And then you just want to cook it all together and blend it. It literally takes, from beginning to end, including cooking the pasta, the whole meal took me about 15 minutes to make. And then you have that. Then when it's all done cooking, which will be in about 5 minutes, you're going to add it on top of your angel hair pasta, and it's going to look just like that. It's shrimp scampi for under 10 bucks. That's a fabulous meal, and it should feed between 3 to 4 people, depending on the size of their appetite. And you could head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com for the entire recipe. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.